Hey everyone. In this video, we'll be going through the process of creating the reporting columns that we'll use to analyze our key performance indicators, or KPIs. The reporting will be based around the following metrics: amount spent, video plays at 25%, cost per video plays at 25%, leads, cost per lead, purchases, and finally cost per purchase. So let's get started. So from our ad manager, I want to go ahead and click on the columns dropdown and select customize columns. So as I noted, one of the KPIs is a column to calculate the cost of a 25% video view. Now this unfortunately isn't something that's available by default, but it's really easy to set up. So we'll be creating a custom metric for this, and that's what we need to do first. So go ahead and click on Create Custom Metric. So a custom metric allows you to use the data that Facebook has on file to run your own custom mathematical calculations. So in this case, what we're going to be doing is dividing the amount spent by our 25% video plays. So first we'll give it a name. Next, we want to change the format from numeric to currency. You can optionally provide a description here if you'd like. And then we'll go down to the formula section. And so now we'll go ahead and create our formula. So what we want to do is take the amount spent. So if you start typing it out, it should show up here. Amount spent divided by video plays at 25%. Next, you'll want to select who can access this custom metric. By default, it's set to only you, but you can give access to everyone in your business if you'd like. A real quick tip on this: if you make the metric available to everyone, you'll lose the ability to delete it. So if you're just testing something out, you may want to only give yourself access initially until you're sure that everything looks good. So I'm going to leave this as only me. Next, we want to click on Create Metric. And now your custom metric should be at the top of the list. So now we can go ahead and create our report. And we're going to start by actually removing everything on the right side and starting from scratch. So now let's go ahead and add the following. We want to start with amount spent. And we want to add our 25% video plays. And then you want to add the custom metric that we just created for cost per video plays at 25%. And then we'll add leads. And you want to select these two columns, total and cost. And here on the right side, you can actually uncheck these boxes that it adds for website leads and on Facebook leads. Since we're only collecting leads from a landing page, we don't need to break this out. It's just going to add unused columns to your report. And so now we'll go ahead and do purchases. And again, you can check the box for total and cost. And then once again, here on the right side, we'll go ahead and deselect the option for mobile app purchases, website purchases, and on Facebook purchases. So this is going to ensure that we only have one purchase column on our report rather than having these three. So now we have our essentials in place. So personally, I like to see how many people are getting through 50% of my videos, 75% of my videos, and 100% of my videos. So I'm going to add these to my reporting as well, but this is optional. We'll go ahead and add this for 50, 75, we'll do 95, and 100. And we'll go ahead and shift these up so they're right below the 25% views. And this just gives you a little more visibility on how far people are getting on your videos. And so once you're ready, we can come down here and we're going to save this as a preset. So go ahead and check this box. Then you'll want to give it a name. Let's call it ATM KPIs. and then we'll click on apply. So at this point, you should now have all of your KPIs in one place, and everything should be visible here. And so if you want to make this the default report for your ad account, you can come back up here to the columns tab, click on this, and as you scroll down, click on set as default. And so there you have it. So anytime you open your ads manager, you should see this reporting layout. Good luck.